that we honor them with an honorary membership. And Alfred has been our accordion player for a long time. And Kurt has been our four-plattler, and he's been our second four-plattler. And we're glad to have him. And I'd like to present Alfred with this plaque. And I'd like to present Kurt his plaque. And congratulations. You'll also get special pins that I'll give you a little later. I have those, but we're so glad that they're a part of our group, and Alfred in particular is also our finance director, vice president of finances. He takes charge of all of our money. So thank you very much, Alfred. Good. Congratulations, well deserved, and also for Sue and for Eric who are not here tonight. Thank you very much.